How to make a responsive website on squarespace.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to step by step create a very responsive website using the squarespace.com. Okay guys, so let's start, and all you need to do firstly is to create an account on squarespace.com. It would be your first level. So as you can see, I already have one. I already have made a couple of websites, and the next step is to click on create a website. So it's going to connect us to the dashboard or to the website menu. All the templates are here. As you can see, all the templates are divided by the type and the topic. So as you can see, there are popular design templates right now that are used by users of the squarespace.com, and if you want to create something different, so here in the type you need to choose a type from online store, portfolio, memberships, blog, scheduling, one page, courses, services. So today we are creating, for example, an online store, and you need to choose a topic for your online store. For example, the collaborations, art and design, photography, health and beauty, personal and CV, fashion, professional services, local business, community and non-profits, food, entertainment, travel, restaurants, media and podcasts, events, weddings, real estate and properties, home and decor, nature and animals, and fitness. So for example, today I would like to create an online store for the fitness. So I'm just choosing the fitness, and here it is. Those are two best template matches that fit the online store and the fitness. But there are also another fitness templates. You can scroll down and see all the fitness templates. Okay, so let's choose this one. I really like one of these. Okay, so as you can see, this website is already done for you. You just need to change it for yourself. Here you can choose the sample color presets, so the colors of the website would change. Let's see what options that we have. Okay, so I like this one, this gray, yellow and white. Okay, so you just click on start with this design. Okay, so next step, how to make your website look good. You just need to wait a bit and I'll show you in seconds how to create a website. Okay, so the next step is you need to create a name for your website. As we are creating an online store for fitness, I would call it online fitness store. Online fitness store. Okay, so now it's going to tell us how to sell products, how to drive traffic, but I'm going to tell you this by myself. So as you can see, here is our website. It is already done, and on the left side of the site you can see the dashboard. So in the dashboard you see all the features of your website. So here is the pages of your website, the main navigation, how it looks. Also you can change the styles right here. You can change fonts, menu, you can change the signs, color signs, the buttons, so anything you like. So for example, let's change the font style. For example, okay, let's change it. No. Okay, this one looks great. So as you can see, all fonts on the website are being changed, as you see. So we just head back, we just save and exit. Let's see every feature of the dashboard. So here's the assets. I don't really have one, but you just upload them here and they will be here. Okay, so the selling next. Here you can set up your store, add products, add the payment way, choose a subscription plan, and then go live and start selling. Okay, so here will be your products. If you are selling something, the orders of every customer you have. You can have here discounts. You can create a discount for your customer, and there are some selling tools that will help you to sell more products. Okay, next thing is the marketing. So it gives us an option to grow our audience. Email campaigns, it means that you can create an email campaign that will be sent to your customers. Okay, next thing is the contacts. Here you will be added all the customers' contacts, all the members and email subscribers. So here you see a list of names. Next thing is the analytics of your website. You can see the traffic that is going to you, the source of this traffic, what are the keywords, and geography of your visitors. Here you can see the engagement and sales. Okay, so invoicing, here you can send professional invoices. It is only pay credit card processing fees. And let's head back to our website and I will quickly show you how to edit it. So we can see a desktop view and a mobile view. Here it is the mobile view. As you can see, everything is divided, everything looks good. You don't need to change anything. And how to edit this website is really easy. You just click here on edit and the editor page is going to load. So as you can see, every page of our website is divided into the sections, the header and the footer. And there are main sections. So for example, I don't really like this section with Brooklyn and Los Angeles. I just remove it. Okay, so it removes in the seconds, and we can also add section right here. So for example, you just browse here from browser of the sections. For example, I really love this one, so it's just added in seconds. If you want to add something, for example, right here you can add text, button, form, newsletter, shape, line, map, markdown, summary, social links, image, video, audio, accordion, scrolling, quote, embedded, code, calendar, chart. You can see there are more features what you can add right here, but let's create a map right here, so it will show where our shop is located. You can edit this map. For example, the design of it, I would change it to the blue one so it looks more comfortable, or we can change it to satellite. As you can see, there are more details with the satellite, so it's really easy to edit the website, and you just save and then exit and your site is ready. But the last thing I'd like to tell you is that this website will work only for 14 days. Next days you need to upgrade your subscription plan. So here are the subscription plans for your website. The first one, the cheapest one, is the $16. The name of it is personal. It costs $16 per month. Next one is the most popular, the business one. It costs $23 per month. Then it goes commerce basic. It costs $28 per month. And the last one is advanced. It costs $52 per month. Okay guys, so if you have known something new from my video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.